Every time I hop up on that bike, I gotta show out. 360 reasons for my real ones, I'ma go out. Them diamonds hit, they glisten, nigga. Tell me what you know about running the city with a bag. All my dogs been grinding, some been hitting ceilings. Said she from the way, I told her mama I've been chillin'. I might touch up on that super thing, go terrorize the villains. Never claim to be a hero, but them Rocky boys go get it. I've been on some other shit, I figured that's what made me.
My favorite part right here.
Yeah. Yeah, you did on that. I need to stop that.
Hey.
You got rid of the Yamaha? Right. Yeah. I think it was routed.
I miss it, bro. I miss it.
They say.
You coming?
Coming out? Not now. Clear. Damien.
Which light is flickering?
What?
Which light is flickering?
The left one.
This one?
Yeah. Why is it your turn signal?
It just started doing that shit today. It might be the cable.
Probably. Are you coming to the left?
What's up, Papa? Yes, sir.
Be careful out there.
Got to. Where these fucking scrubs at, man?
Where?
Where's Sean?
Oh, I thought you said, whose scrub is that? I was like, what?
What's up, brother?
Street legal too.
What's up, Papa?
Yeah, I took a knockoff Grom, chopped the neck off of it, and welded that neck to my dirt bike frame.
That's creative.
It was that easy, bro. And then the suspension all bolts right up, everything. I mean, it's gonna be the actual rear suspension does not work, but I like the stiff rear, so it's okay.
Fuck it.
Yeah. But, it's usually a ripper, and I can usually really wheel it really well. But right now, I'm losing brake fluid somewhere in this vicinity.
Oh, I see it. I can see it.
Yeah, so no wheelies for me. I just built it. Yeah, no good, Mr. George.
Yeah, don't loop this.
Now I stood on the pegs.
Yeah, you?
Yeah.
I didn't even see it.
I'll do it again.
I'm telling you, bro. I've been dreaming of.
In the handbrake, you'd be a monster.
It's
Yeah.
weird.
Yeah, no, you're doing good. Do you ever do staggers?
I just tried it, but it feels weird.
Yeah, they are
Yeah.
gonna feel weird. And look, my first like 5 or 10 staggers, the bike would want to fall one way or the other. But I mean, I wasn't up high enough.
Yeah.
Once I finally was like, oh, because you have this moment where you're like, oh, I'm here. Shit's crazy. It's just like, because you got your sit down, so you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
When you're wheeling, you're like, oh, I'm here. You know what I mean?
My big brother.
I'm looking for parts.
My valves are like, stop, stop. Alright, brother. Ride safe.
Good job.
Hey. That shit had me like, ah, shit. Because as soon as he came down, I seen him. I was like, ah, we gotta go.
I was like, I'm out. Let me know when you home.
Bet. You too, bro.
All right.